Above the horizon, a legend stirs. The B-52 Stratofortress, over 70 years in service, the backbone of America's strategic air power. Decades of global dominance, countless missions, and unchallenged reach. For most, the B-52 is a symbol of enduring power, a sentinel that has watched over freedom itself. Yet even legends must evolve. What if this old warbird could soar farther, strike harder, endure longer? What if it carried an engine so advanced that it could redefine the meaning of strategic bombing? Today, the secret comes to light, the F-130 engine. This is not merely an upgrade, this is a transformation, a testament to American innovation and military might. For Americans who value national security, technological superiority, and the courage of those who defend freedom, what you're about to see matters. The B-52 has carried the deterrent of a nation on its wings. Every mission has been a message. The United States has reach, resolve, and power unmatched in history. But even a machine as legendary as the Stratofortress faces limits. Its original engines, though reliable, are heavy, fuel-thirsty, and less efficient by modern standards. Every mile flown costs time, fuel, and flexibility. Imagine the difference. A B-52 with new F-130 engines, capable of flying farther without refueling, carrying heavier payloads, and maintaining mission readiness for hours longer than ever before. Behind every flight is a network of engineers, pilots, and logisticians, ensuring that every knot of speed and drop of fuel translates into a strategic advantage. By the end of this journey, you'll understand how a single engine can shape the balance of global power and why its impact resonates beyond the skies. Since its first flight in 1952, the B-52 has outlasted wars, adversaries, and technological revolutions. It has survived the Cold War, traversed decades of strategic shifts, and remained a symbol of American might. But time is relentless. The original engines now limit the aircraft's range, speed, and flexibility. Rivals invest in stealth, hypersonics, and long-range strike capability. The airspace once dominated by the Stratofortress is no longer uncontested. Falling behind is not an option. Picture a mission scenario. A B-52 departs from the continental United States, fully loaded with precision munitions. With older engines, it would require multiple mid-air refuelings, exposing vulnerability to enemy detection. With the F-130 upgrade, the bomber can reach distant targets, maintain loiter capability over contested airspace, and return safely without a single refueling. The difference is not theoretical, it is the difference between assured dominance and strategic risk. History has taught harsh lessons. During the Cold War, every advantage mattered. Aircraft that lagged behind were liabilities. Today, the stakes are even higher. Nations like Russia and China field advanced aircraft, long-range missiles, and detection systems designed to challenge the skies. For the United States, maintaining a technological edge is not optional. It is survival. And that edge may come from an engine small enough to fit under a wing, but powerful enough to extend a legendary bomber's life into the next generation of warfare. The F-130 engine is a marvel of modern engineering. Derived from advanced commercial technology, it combines efficiency, thrust, and reliability in a package optimized for strategic bombing. Imagine a heart beating inside a decades-old body, pumping with a new vitality that allows the machine to surpass its original limits. Each turbine blade, forged with precision alloys, spins thousands of times per minute, converting fuel into raw power capable of lifting an entire neighborhood into the sky. Engineers describe the F-130 as a system of extreme contrasts, powerful yet quiet, efficient yet capable of delivering maximum thrust, compact yet durable. For the B-52, this translates into longer range, fewer refueling requirements, and greater payload flexibility. Test pilots report smoother climbs, improved stability at high altitudes, and lower operational stress on the airframe. Every aspect of flight becomes more precise, more predictable, and more lethal. The integration is a complex ballet. Nacelles must be modified, wiring rerouted, and the airframe reinforced to handle new vibrations and stresses. Test flights push the envelope, each one a blend of engineering, bravery, and intuition. Engineers monitor data streams that measure temperature, vibration, and pressure, while pilots execute maneuvers designed to uncover every weakness. It is painstaking work, but the result is an aircraft reborn, a machine whose performance belies its age. Consider the battlefield impact. A B-52 with F-130 engines can maintain higher speeds over longer distances, evade enemy defenses more effectively, and carry heavier ordnance. Strategic planners can extend patrols over remote regions, respond faster to threats, and project power without delay. In a single flight, the F-130 changes the calculus of deterrence. It is a force multiplier that redefines what the Stratofortress can achieve. The Air Force notes that re-engining extends the B-52's service life by decades, ensures operational flexibility, and reduces maintenance costs. Defense analysts describe it as a critical upgrade in an era where adversaries challenge U.S. dominance in the skies. Leaked test data shows fuel efficiency improving by nearly 20%, range extended by hundreds of miles, and reliability enhanced under extreme conditions. But beyond statistics, there is human drama. Pilots who have flown the B-52 for decades speak of a machine that demands respect, a bird that responds to skill, precision, and courage. Engineers dedicate years perfecting each integration, knowing that a miscalculation could cost missions, or worse, lives. Every takeoff, climb, and mission becomes a testament to American ingenuity, a quiet display of pride and expertise that resonates far beyond the hangar. In the skies above strategic locations, the F-130-powered B-52 demonstrates its value not just in numbers, but in presence. Its roar is a deterrent, its endurance a shield. For a patriotic American, watching this transformation is witnessing the preservation of freedom itself, an aerial embodiment of the country's commitment to defense, innovation, and global leadership. The B-52 upgrade is also a showcase of American industrial might. The United States maintains the infrastructure, talent, and production capability to design, test, and manufacture engines of extraordinary complexity. Comparisons with rival nations are stark. Few countries possess the combination of engineering skill, production scale, and logistical support to execute such an upgrade. Every dollar invested multiplies into longer service life, higher operational readiness, and superior capability in potential conflict zones. The F-130 program demonstrates the synergy between military and civilian technology. Lessons from commercial aviation feed into strategic aircraft, and innovations for the battlefield ripple back into industrial processes. This is not just an engine, it is a symbol of American resilience, economic strength, and the ability to maintain dominance without compromise. Looking forward, the implications are profound. If the F-130-powered B-52 succeeds, the United States will maintain strategic air superiority for decades to come. It ensures the ability to project power anywhere on the globe, respond to emerging threats, and deter aggression before it begins. Conversely, failing to innovate could leave gaps that adversaries are eager to exploit. Every mission flown with these engines is a statement. America values freedom, invests in its defense, and relies on the courage of its people to preserve it. Engineers, pilots, and strategists all contribute to a chain of excellence, each link critical in maintaining the edge that defines a superpower. The B-52 re-engined with F-130 is more than metal and turbines. It is a story of American ingenuity, patriotism, and enduring power. Each takeoff, climb, and sortie echoes the dedication of countless Americans committed to safeguarding freedom. It is a machine that commands awe, respect, and pride, a reminder that the skies belong to those who dare to innovate, defend, and persevere. If this inspired you, subscribe to Jet Axis. Next, we reveal the secret jet that even the world's most advanced adversaries watch with fear. Witness the evolution of air power and see how American innovation continues to shape the balance of global security.